Welcome, here I've got XIAOMI Mi 11 Ultra and let me show you how to change volume button function in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. The volume buttons here are from the right, so let me try to use them now to see how they work with the camera. And as you can see, by tapping on them I can easily take a picture. To change that function, let's go to right corner button so we can get access to more options about camera we can manage. Now we have to move to left side and tap to settings to open them. And here let's tight a little bit to find volume buttons function. When we tap here, we can decide between shutter, which is now, shutter countdown, zoom or volume, so you can stay on whatever you need. Now let me pick zoom for example to show you how it works different. And now let's move back to camera and let me try to use volume buttons once again. So as you can see, I can easily get closer to my subject and also move back so I can use zoom. That's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.